Hello everybody, this is Umair from Tutorials Hub and welcome back to another video. In this one we will be discussing how to unsubscribe from SendBud. So this is going to be a step-by-step process. Also do not forget to head over to the link in the description to simply donate to our channel. So that is going to be super amazing if you actually do that. Okay, so basically you are going to be heading over to the link in the description from where you can also donate to our channel as mentioned. So that is going to be super helpful, guys. Okay, so now what you need to do is simply contact the SendBud customer experience team by emailing them at support@sendbud.com. And yeah, you cannot cancel your 3 to 6 month and 12-month subscriptions mid plan. Instead, you will have to either downgrade or stop the auto renewal of these plans. So yeah, you can get all the information you need to cancel the SendBud subscription on this page if you want to head check out for yourself as well. So basically, yeah, you need to email them. So their customer support, they will help you eventually if you write to them and tell your issue that you do not want to continue further, and they will reply back to you within usually 24 to 48 hours, and that will be a huge help for you guys. So yeah, that is it for this video, guys. Make sure to head over to the link in the description to simply donate to our channel, and that is going to be helpful for us as well. And yeah, thank you so much for watching. See you around the next couple of videos.